How to start light mode? So guys, mag-start kami ng live mode guys. Wow naman! Wow! Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. This one, telegraph.
Yeah.
Second, moving outside. Someone can check. Moving. Outside. You want to start one more time?
Yeah, I want to start one more. Okay.
Okay.
And then stop. Just pull that down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Alright.
that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
So normally once you
Hindi totoo yan.
go like this,
Yeah.
it will heat up a little bit.
Second, that is my duty.
Your duty.
Yes. Where is the air bottle?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Saan yung boss?
Dito ba dito?
Papakita lang namin kung paano buksan yung air bottle kasi that is my duty.
Oh, nagpapasikat ka sa akin.
300, yeah? 300, the free bottle.
Yes. So to open, you need to locate this red key. Should be.
Video mo na. Where will I open?
You need to locate. Yeah. Can you?
This valve. That valve,
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
But you need to open this valve. You need to take this red key. This one supply to the system.
Okay.
This one you open air bottle.
Okay.
So you open air bottle, then you open supply to the system. And also there should be one more which will discharge to the line into the live boat. Yeah. There normally one more.
Hindi ko maintindihan guys. Kawawa naman yung taga-video ko, videoan ko rin.
Ginagawa mo!
Salita ka naman. Magtatanong pa ako.
Minute.
Magtatanong pa ako. Tek, where is the key? The one you're saying.
Yeah, I need to figure out this one. Remove keep light. It should be painted in red.
Itong pula na lever.
Ayaw, di ba?
So guys, hinahanap namin yung pulong susi para dito sa air bottle.
Hindi totoo yan.
I will find it out. I will put it exactly
Boss!
not that side.
Alam mo yung ano na ito? Yung sabi niyang susi?
I think that one second is open directly.
Automatic.
No. It's even in the instruction.
Naman wala?
Yes. So then you have to open it.
But there is
Bottles, then this is pressurized to system. They install it. You see.
Okay.
So,
no need-
You just open. Yeah.
no need this red, huh?
No.
Only this one or both?
Both.
Both, huh?
Yes.
Okay,
You open
okay.
both bottles.
yeah.
You
Then-
first open the both bottles and then this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the valve.
Okay. Understood.
You open everything.
You have to open the both
One,
valves
two.
first and then this one?
Yes. This
Okay.
will be supplied to the system.
Okay. Understood. Alright.
Dito.
Understood.
And for the next one, I will give you back.
Okay.
Oh, nagpapasikat ka sa akin.
Ayos naman. Mamaya tayo babalik guys. Ingat.
What ration?
Wow naman! Nagis.
Yung release na nagkasarap.
Tatanggalin mo ito ah.
Tapos, nakakontel yung lock.
Ah. Ihilahin mo. May harbor pin siya dito. Oh. Ayun oh. Pre, may harbor pin.
Sana.
Hilahin mo pa baba. Hilahin mo to. Bababa yun.
See? Once you remove, then you go through it. You remove this shit.